Hi, Ryan here. Finally, I got this Paragon drip coffee holder. If you follow my channel, you know that I went to Glitch coffee shop in Ginza, Tokyo. At Glitch coffee shop, I saw this, which I've never seen before. I want to show you if it's going to make a better pour-over coffee. The special thing about this is it comes with this ice bowl. So when you pour over the coffee, it'll go through this ice bowl. I'm going to make 2 pour-over coffees, one with ice bowl and one without it. And I'm gonna let my wife taste it and we'll find out which one tastes better, okay? What do you think? And my wife is very mad because she was eating snacks, but I told her, do not make any sound. She's watching me and then she's like, ugh. Anyways. Okay, let's make a pour-over coffee. First one, I'm going to use the ice bowl. Okay, here's the ice bowl. It's like a Dragon Ball. Yeah. Okay, put it here. All right, move this, move this. I need to rinse it. This is the hot water from this Ramazoko hot water spout. I'm going to rinse. Oh, by the way, this is an origami dripper. Same dripper that Glitch used. Okay, I'm going to rinse it. Alright. Okay, put it on a scale. Water temperature is 91 Celsius. Let's do it. And my origami dripper recipe is, I'm gonna put the recipe over here. Okay, it's done. Oh, it's hot. The first one with the ice bowl. What do you think? I like it. She likes it. Let me make another one without the ice bowl, and let's see which one tastes better. It's a lot more satisfying to see visually with this ice bowl. Second one without the ice. She said the pour over with this ice bowl is more smooth. With the ice bowl, the taste is more soft and less bitter. Anyways, thank you very much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.